Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update apps on your LG Smart TV. First of all, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet, and after that open the home screen of your TV, select the first tile in your apps list, which is the app store basically. After that, you're going to have to navigate to the three dot icon you can see in the top right corner of your screen. Then select it, then select App Update. Then you can either select update next to an application that you want to update. If you have an application that requires an update, unfortunately I don't have such applications right here. But I have the update all option, which will update all applications in the selected category. So as you can see, we have system apps and downloaded apps, and if we select update all next to system apps, it will update all the system applications that require an update. And if we select update all next to the download applications list, we will of course update all the downloaded applications on our TV. So once you select this option, the applications will start updating, and after they are updated, you'll be able to use to start using the newest version of this applications. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.